Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Apple Watch Series 9 to your iPhone. First, make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery life. Next, update your iPhone to the newest iOS. Then, enable Bluetooth on your iPhone and connect it to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing experience. Now, power on your Apple Watch and keep it close to your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the dedicated Apple Watch application. You'll see an option to Pair New Watch. Tap this to begin. Your iPhone will then guide you through the next steps, making the process straightforward and user-friendly. You have two main options for pairing. For automatic pairing, hold your iPhone camera over the unique animation displayed on your Apple Watch. If that doesn't work, choose Pair Manually and input the 6-digit code shown on your watch into your iPhone. The pairing process typically takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. After successful pairing, you'll decide whether to restore from a previous backup or set up your Apple Watch as a brand new device. Review and accept the terms and conditions, then sign in with your Apple ID. Finally, create a secure passcode and personalize your settings, like activity tracking and notifications, to complete the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.